Finally got some fairly flat water. It's been a while. Zero it out. Reading. Little breeze, but it's coming in on me. Should be fine. Water looks clean, no sticks. Woo! Running some 3 blades. See if it can turn them on 8S. So she's wanting to come up. Okay. Very high rake, 23-degree rake angle on these. But I do have this center of gravity move farther forward, 42%. Man, that's got some jump. See if I can push it a little more. See what happens. Let it settle a little bit. Wow. Yep, that's not gonna stay down. All right, it's fun to drive. Sometimes it's good just get out and run the boats. It's been a while for me. That has some jump with them props. So I got less negative angle on my stingers, went down to 2.6 from 2.9, and it's not a good setup with these props. All right, that was a fun little run anyway. Turn the animal loose. Yeah, just 88 miles an hour. Did not get into it much at all. There's too much air under the front of the sponsons. Made an adjustment on the angle on the stingers. Run it again. See if she stays down. Zero it out. Reading. All right, that was staying down. Just didn't get into it soon enough. Kind of still checking it out. Let's see what that was. Just curious. Okay, it's faster. Let's go again. I think I do one more run. That'll be maybe it for the lipo. And these 3 blades push a lot of water. Like, it gets up on plane, hardly touching the throttle. Woo, what was that? Did I lose a prop? No, that kicked sideways like I had power on. Maybe I got a power cut on one motor. All right, do a rescue. See what's up with that. Hopefully it's just a power cut on one motor. Cause it to flip. I have 2 propellers. So yeah, must have been a power cut. Okay. A little tape off, but other than that, everything's fine. Let's get a read on that GPS. Nope, 93 again. Okay. Just testing here. Get out and run the boat.